Hey, welcome back to Squarebody Stuff. I'm Chad, your host. Got Cream Puff right here behind me. This video is just going to be kind of a short video catching up on what's going on. It's been a while since I put a video up. I've just had a lot going on, so the channel's kind of been put on the back burner, unfortunately. So I'm going to get back at it, putting some more videos up. Spring's around, well, spring is here. So, and the racetrack is opened up. I've got a day that I plan on being my first day going to the track. I'm not going to announce that yet until I know for sure it's going to happen. But just going to kind of let you guys know what's been going on with me and where we're going to go from here. All right, first off, just kind of catch you guys up on where I'm at and to say appreciate some of my fans messaging me saying, hey, is everything okay? Are we all right? And yes, I'm doing fine. It's just been a matter of this has been a kind of a rough winter, keeping up with everything. We had really hard freeze, some bad weather, trying to keep up with the farms and everything. The channel just went to the wayside for now, but we're getting back after it. So I appreciate all the fans that's been asking what's been going on, checking up on me. I appreciate that a lot. I've also had one guy that I posted a video on. I'll try to put a link to it up here in the corner. His name is Bobby Lawson. On Facebook, he has, I think it's Bobby's Creations or something like that. I'll put a link to his Facebook page down the description box below. He's the one that sent me some door lock knobs for the trucks, one of my most recent videos. But he also sent me a package just the other day, and I've been waiting to try to get it opened up. My son's in the shop banging on stuff, so you have to ignore that noise. But he sent me a package, and I don't have any idea what's in it. He said he had some stuff that he thought of me whenever, or thought of one of my trucks whenever he made these and wanted to send them to me. So I don't have any idea what's in here. So we're going to open it up and see what's in here and decide what we're going to do with it, because I have no idea what's in here. So we're going to open this up. We're going to see what's in this box here from Bobby and figure out what we're going to do with it. Pretty excited. This is probably my first fan mail unboxing on this channel. Kind of cool. Let's see what he's got here. Hopefully I don't mess it up and cut anything. Whoa. Okay, got a note here. Give me just a minute. I'm going to read it, make sure there's nothing personal that he didn't want on the deal, but I'll read it real quick and then we'll be right back with you. Okay, so I mean the note's not super personal, but I'll go without reading it. Basically is he was making me a shifter knob, an automatic shifter knob for my truck buddy, because he pulled one of his blanks. Because he makes shifter knobs, he makes all sorts of different stuff out of the I'm not sure what material it is, kind of plastic or wood, about any type of material. He makes door lock knobs, shifter knobs. I think he's even doing some like barbecue utensil handles and all sorts of stuff. And he said he was making he had a blank that reminded him of Buddy, my old crew cab. Buddy over there, right there. Not the best camera usage, but anyways. And then he remembered that Buddy was an automatic, or not an automatic. He was a manual. So he made an automatic shifter knob. Then he remembered that Buddy was a manual. So he made something else with it. I don't know what it is yet. I haven't unboxed it. I just read the note. He also said he appreciated me posting my last video, because he wasn't sure if it was just happenstance, but 30 minutes after the video, he got 4 orders. So he's trying to make a actual living off of making this stuff, and I think a guy could do it. He's very talented, so you guys go hit him up. It's Bob's Creations. So let's get to unboxing this thing, see what it is. Stuff going everywhere, the wind's kind of blowing. Oh, wow. Look at that. Ah. That thing is beautiful. Oh, wow. I can see why he thought of Buddy, because that's kind of the same colors as Buddy. The green and kind of a beige or tan, yellowish. I don't know if this camera's doing much justice to how pretty that is. Maybe the sunlight will do it, but it's just a bottle opener. But yeah, I mean, I normally drink big bottles of whiskey, but I do drink some Pop Tops every now and then. So I appreciate this, Bobby. This will be in the shop, and we will really appreciate that here. So again, everybody go check out Bob's Creations. I'll put the link in the description box down below for his Facebook. And there went all this stuff. For his Facebook page. You guys get a hold of him. Have him make you, I think, whatever you could think of. I mean, this guy's got some stuff going on. This thing is slick. I mean, I don't know how much this will run you. This is a gift, and I really appreciate it, Bobby. I really like that. I'm kind of touched. I mean, I really am touched. Kind of a sentimental guy, so this stuff is really special to me. So I appreciate it. Now we'll get on to, we're going to go over to my race truck, Squeaky, and see if I can get him started. He's been sitting for all winter. I started him once a little over a month ago when it was like negative 12 or 14, 15 degrees, just to see if he would start. But since then I haven't started him. Don't know, I may have a rat's nest in there somewhere. I don't know, may have some critters living in it. But we're gonna go over there, check him out, see if we can get him started. We're here with Squeaky. He's been over here next to my hay pile and the tire pile. Let's see if get the hood pins off. Get the hood up, make sure there's no critters living underneath the hood. Oh, I even got an air cleaner on him. I forgot I put the air cleaner on him. So everything looks good under here. Let's see if he'll start up. Well, he starts and runs. I think probably a couple plugs are close to being fouled out. But he does run. So we're going to try to do some more stuff with this guy. My goal is this year, this season, with this worn out 305, if nobody's watched or nobody knows about this motor, go back and check out the previous videos about this thing and find out what all I've done to it. It is a worn out, I mean slap worn out 305. I think number 2 cylinder only has like 90 to 100 psi of compression on it. I've done a compression test, all that stuff. It's completely worn out, but it's got a bigger cam, 250 shot of nitrous now. So I think my quickest time last year was like a mid 13 second pass. And also it's got the 465 4-speed transmission. So just to catch you guys up if you don't know anything about this truck. Really, it was just a cam, oil pump, valve springs, and pretty much that was it. I mean, I got some used headers that I've had just laying around, and a used intake I had just laying around. So I know this video wasn't very exciting. Most of mine aren't, some of mine are, I don't know. But I just want to kind of catch you guys up because it's been a while since I put one out. For the future, the near future, what I could see when time allows for me is my next steps on this truck in particular are I have a two-step ignition box I want to put on them. That'll make launching off the line a little bit easier with that 4-speed, and also gears for the rear. I know that I've had a lot of people mention, you know, we need to put new or lower gears in it. I know it's got 342s right now. It's way too high gear for even quarter mile, and with that wide span with the transmission between first and second, it just kills it. But ignition box, gears, I think I'm going to upgrade the fuel system on the nitrous side of things. So we got some stuff coming up on this truck. You know, of course, I've got my other trucks, you know, I've still got to deal with. I'll have videos of them too. So we're not going anywhere. When time allows, I'll put as many videos up as I can, so you guys stick around. I appreciate it. Thanks again, Bobby Lawson, for the bottle opener. We'll put it to good use. And until next time, y'all keep your square bodies rolling, and we will catch you later.